Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's tonight's video or something like that. It's currently 4 a.m. like 3:15. I can show you the time just a sec. As you can see in here. So yeah, guys, it's 4 a.m. and I just wanted to give you like update like what I've been up to and what I've been doing. So guys, I'm currently doing 3K a day. And I'm going to show you all this like at the end, but yeah, today is 15th April. Yeah, so since last time I said like 1K a day, the day after that I did 2K a day, and the day after that I did 3K, and today 3K as well. So I've been going up. I mean, it's been crazy, guys. I'm getting like, on average, I'm getting 50 to 60 average, 65 orders a day. But today I got 78 orders. Yesterday I got 82, but today's profit were much higher because people start to buying a couple of them, like buying bundles and upsells and stuff. And that's what was like the main strategy to design the website, where like people always like when they go to add to cart they check out. So I designed it in some way. I'm going to show the store as well. My conversion rate, like since I started the website 5-6 days ago, is above more than 5%. So almost every like industry standard is 2.5 or 3%, something like that. So I'm 5%, so that's pretty awesome. And everybody is converting. So I have designed it in some way, like make like a card countdown. So in the card countdown I said them like use this coupon code rounding 20, like, and there's a timer in the card as well. So it says you have 4 minutes to use this coupon code in your checkout page. So they have to go to checkout and use the coupon code to get a discount. So that's a way. And yeah, all of like another small tricks that I did. And I'm currently like kind of scaling with Facebook. I'm around 310 purchases, and I have around 700 at the, no, not 700, I don't know how much at the course I have, but I have 310 purchases right now with my pixel, and I launched 95% lookalikes, 75% website visitor by time spent, 25 seconds, website visitor by time spent 10 seconds, website visitors, view content value based. Cause all these lookalikes, I'm testing like ton of A/B like ad set budgets, interests daily, like turning off the unprofitables. Like I can show you, like I write in a list like which one should I have like look up to, which one should I turn off. And because I have like all my margins, cost per purchase, cost per add to cart, cost per initiate checkout, my break-even ROAS, my ROAS for 20% profit, my ROAS for 30% profit, my ROAS for 40% profit. And at the moment I'm around 40% profit, because my ROAS for 40% profit is 2.5 and I'm around 2.3. So yeah, my break-even ROAS is 1.2. And yeah, guys, so it's been going awesome. Like, and another thing was like, I'm going to show you like everything. I have documented it, but Shopify holds my money and they hold it like I think the money is going to come in like in like today or tomorrow, something like that. And I had a problem with cash flow, but I still had money though. But like I was spending aggressively in Facebook, and I had to pay for like fulfilling orders and stuff, because like I'm getting more than 60-70 orders a day, and I have to fulfill all of them, because I'm like, I don't want like sad, like angry customers or something like that. So I have customer service in place. I have 2 VAs in place. I don't pay them though because they're my friends, so it's free. And another thing was, like, I try to talk with my agent to uh, like minimize the shipping price, because buying and shipping the product together gonna cost me around $6. And I'm selling product. I'm selling the product like, I can't tell you the price, but it's like it's much higher than that. So I have a nice profit margin. But still I want to talk to the agent and say, hey, like I have another agent like giving me good like better shippings with cheaper prices. How can I do? No, I just make her scared. So that works. So at the moment I have like 7 days delivery time and stuff, and my shippings, I'm talking to her like to lower my shipping rates, because like it's been a crazy journey, you know. It's just been 5 days, like in this week alone, and the week is not alone done. Till now in this week I made 10K. So and with last week, which like was, I started this store on Friday last week, okay? So from Friday last week till now I am around 14K right now. So guys, it's crazy, but I'm going to take it to 6 figures, you know. But I have to be careful. I'm learning every day, and you know, I'm just like doing everything I can like to up the average order value. And my average order value is like we say, if the product price is 10, my average order value is around 25. So $10, my average order is $25. So that's pretty awesome, you know. So it's all profit. And yeah, guys, it's been like crazy, you know, because my pay Shopify was holding a lot of money, and I'm paying for Facebook ads like every day. So I had to like get some money from my pops or a couple of my friends. Thankful that they helped me in this situation. But yeah, so, and guys, the funny thing is, like, I'm going to show you this with proof. I texted like Shopify's support, and they told me like, the dude was like, okay, I'm going to check your store to see like why the payment is on hold, and they told me it was a standard review. If you make like a bunch of money in one day, they're gonna get confused like where the money come from or something like that. And then the dude was like, I see you got a ton of orders in the last 4 days. Can you please be are you willing to like share some tips to me that how you're doing this? Shopify support asked me this, guys. I'm not joking. Like I have the film, I have the screenshot. I was typing in my computer. I took picture with my phone because it was crazy. Like it's just overwhelming, you know. Yeah, guys. So it's been like very journey, but I'm learning much more about Facebook, and like I have it's been doing good, you know. And I got a new creative done today as well, with everything like done. The creative is perfect. Like I found my winning creative, and I made a creative like that. So I don't want to reach ad fatigue. Sorry, guys. So since I add that creative today, like I added to one. I added to my top interest, one of my top interests, and it got like five, six sales like in just today. Like the ad was live like around 4 p.m. or something like that. It was middle of the day, and also, you know, so that was a good sign. Like, so guys, I'm just going to scale this up and see like where it goes, you know. Hopefully if I continue to do 2-3K a day. And today one other thing I do, I I upped my product price advert by $2 to see how it performs. So we're all just testing to like to get the maximum profit, you know. I don't want to like take too much, but as much as I can take, like there's fees and everything, you know, it's gonna be same because I'm giving customers discounts as well. So that's how it is. But it's being guys, it's being pretty crazy. Like this is my fourth product testing, you know, and just reaching like 2K a day, and now 3K a day for 2 days. 3K yesterday, 3K today, 2K day before yesterday, and 1K day before that. So it's been like crazy, you know. It's been going up, pa pa pa, and the Shopify ringtone just comes, bam bam bam. So guys, I'm just gonna give you an update on everything. I hope you have a great day. I think you're all sleeping at now. It's 4 a.m. so I have to sleep now as well. So I just launched my ads, new campaigns, new LLAs, turned off the unprofitable ad sets campaigns, and guys, it's like 20 campaigns, 100 ad sets, you know. I just have to go over all of them, and you know, you don't want to hear about it because like it's about it's just headache, you know. So guys, I hope you have a nice day, so take care.